The Great Tantra of Vajrasattva, equal to the end of the sky. The Tantra that is clear without being written, without study or contemplation, is obviously self-awareness. It throws our contemplation into an uncontrived natural state. The transmission of the thought-free awareness of what is has no connection with conditions of secrecy, but this is not at all clear. We dwell in the finest self-luminescent awareness. The pervasive, self-originating sphere of the sky is not to be defined. It has no definition. The transmission of the secret method of the Vajra is the perfection of non-dual self-arising equanimity. In the Samaya of uncontrived luminosity, contrivance is a way to remember that there are demons in the sky. In truly supreme non-dual awareness, protecting objects and the keepers of objects is reverted. In immeasurable self-luminescence that is beyond counting, to count or measure is like looking for the end of the sky. There is nothing to protect. We have already succeeded from of yore. We will not get anywhere by continuing to protect. Protecting and non-protecting are limitations made by words. The awareness of wisdom is free from the limitations of words. In the Samaya of clear light that has no position, there is the path of protecting false positions. In the Samaya of spontaneous perfection that has no search, we find nothing through searching. It is meaningless. In the holy transmission of perfection that has no tasks, anything we search for with words about applications and views leads us into a river of ideas about definitions. Seeking for definitions is a reverted dharma. It is a craving to put limitations on the sun of self-arising wisdom and shadows us in darkness. We are hindered by the density of this undesignated darkness. We are parted from the light, an awareness of luminescent appearances. In the mirror of self-luminous wisdom, the effulgence of self-originating awareness is hindered, and we don't see anything. This is a destructive view, so we fall on the Vajra needle of avicii. It is extremely obvious that non-dual wisdom that is beyond conceptualization has no position or preference. It may be anything at all. Everything is all right. This is beyond the limitations of attributed existence and non-existence. Existence and non-existence are attributions. Attributions for wisdom itself, which has no limitations.